Thank you for contacting KBB Replacement Doors. I'm here to speak about the Economique range, which is our budget range, which we sell. Again, we make them for kitchens, bedrooms and bathrooms. And we're in front of our bathroom display here showing the Economique gloss graphic door. And as you say, we do it in any size and multiple colours, both gloss and matte. How an Economique door is made up of is it's made up of what's called melamine, MFC board, and then it's got melamine paper both back and front. This is a matte version, so you can see where the raw core board is this, and then it's edged in the PVC edging all round and all four edges. This is only done on one edges, so and that's how it's wrapped or edged. This is the light grey version of it, again where it's light grey matte, so it's been, you can see all four edges have been edged in PVC edging. The PVC edging gives it a very durable and strong feature, but obviously at a very good price. And because if you look on the website, you'll see we have at least 40 colours in it, where you can have gloss and matte, so it would be good to suit your bathroom, your kitchen or your bedroom needs.